Well, it's Thursday. No, it's not Thursday. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday the 30th of November, and I've been away for a week since the last video diary. Pretty much was shit. Pretty horrible. I didn't have any idea it would be like that. Having come out of it for a couple of days now, I really can't remember much about it, but Mum suggested I looked unconscious, in and out of consciousness, for a couple of days, and that's really how it felt. It was how I imagine a bad drug trip would be like, or perhaps cold turkey. I have to say though, the whole time I clung with fingertips to the thought that I was doing this to get better, and I was doing it for everybody who's supporting me. It wasn't really for me very often, and I did have 5 minutes somewhere in those days where I questioned my sanity for signing the paper and taking part. But I had the thought, and then I pushed it away. The worst thing for me were the hallucinations where household objects would morph into quite frightening, aggressive things. No one told me that would happen. I didn't expect it, and I think that's perhaps why the whole thing was so awful. You can deal with pain. I've been in pain before we started this, so that the pain can be overcome, but it's the mental thing. Anyway, God, in her wisdom, has been thinking about me, and she's been depositing enormous quantities of snow on the ground in the past couple of days. 14 inches in Scotland, or something mad, Northumbria mad, and minus 20 degrees last night, which is unimaginable. I think it was only about minus something or other, minus perhaps 5 here, which is, you know, equally mad anyway, after 55 degrees this summer in Bahrain. Anyway, God in her wisdom has decided to deposit me each morning with a present for my menopausal issues. You know, when you're having hot flushes, what do you really want? You want to go and roll naked in snow, and it's there every morning for me, so thank you. She's obviously had the menopause too. Okay, I think this week's going to be better. I kind of feel the fog has cleared this morning. I kept telling myself each day I was feeling better, and I am, but today I think I can honestly say that things have gone through. I started antibiotics yesterday. Read the information on the inside. Had no idea that with these antibiotics I'm not supposed to, 1, drink alcohol, or 2, have coffee, or 3, take them with dairy products or iron. So that's so the first 2, coffee and alcohol, the leaflet suggests that you don't have those during taking the tablets, which is fine, I can manage that. The third one, the dairy products and the vitamin tablets, it suggested you take the tablet, you have a break of several hours, then you can have the supplement, but you must remember that you must have several hours break between the supplement and the next tablet. And so I've moved my vitamin tablet intake to lunchtime. So I have the tablets at breakfast, vitamins at lunch, and tablets in the evening. What else? It's beautiful. The snow's really beautiful. And today it's melting, so we must be above freezing today. The sun's out, and when you look outside you have brown leaves with bits of green and then covered in white, and dripping from them. And I have to say that after the desert, it's a beautiful sight. I suppose it's a different sight, but it is appreciated in a way I probably wouldn't if I'd been here all the time. The other thing that's really amazing is the smell of the air and how clean it is, and it doesn't smell of sand. Of course there's no sand, but it has a really healthy smell to it, and somehow I'm feeling really clean, physically clean, and it's something I can't quite explain. But it's a really it's a really nice thing to be able to do, is to smell clean air. Yes, it's really important. Alright, so that was the 30th of November. It's a Tuesday, and I'm going to go and do some cooking. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.